Hello everyone, this is Sani Gandhi, and this year I have cracked the UGC NET JET examination for the cycle January 2025, and I have among the 96 students who have cracked the examination for psychology. So I can say that I have been preparing for this exam right since 2022. Okay, but the formal preparations began in 2024. This is October to January, I think. Definitely not, because as I said, I was already preparing for the examination, for my UPSC thing. So that added a lot of value, But I think for any examination, you need consistent effort and also practice. My mantra was very simple. You have to, whenever you're studying, just study at that point of time and make sure that you make notes out of whatever you study. That was my one thing. It was not just about the number of hours, about how much do you study in an hour. So I made sure that I do study just for 3 hours, but that study should be repeated. No distraction at all. If you're studying, it just means you're studying. I think that's the most important thing. I'd say that's the tonic to your JRF thing. Because honestly, if you're not familiar with the kind of pattern that is happening, the kind of time that you need to give to any question, any answer, everything, I think that it's a very different ride, my friend. You won't be able to make it because you do not know the nitty-gritties of the examination. And I said, previous year papers were the key. For me, because I did practice a lot of PYQs, a lot of things, and at least 3 papers I practiced. So then that environment got actually simulated, and that, conditioned my mind to, okay, let's, maybe do this, let's do that. So I could manage to complete my exam 10 minutes before the, the actual termination of the examination. That could only happen because I was consistent. I was doing my PYQs, I was revising everything properly and whatnot. So that could actually fuel everything. So research methods was one very important. For unit 1, what is psychology and the paradigms of it, everything. Then attention, perception, cognitive psychology is the most important part. Intelligence, personality, oh my God. Like a lot of things. You cannot skip these units. Learning, memory, you have to know that form. Sure. Definitely. So I think, so before the JRF thing, I was just a bit confused where to pursue a job after a master's or where to go for PhD. But now I'm quite sure that PhD is my thing. I wish to be a professor. And that's a sure thing for sure.